Hey guys, so like I told you, my latch broke, and as you can see, it doesn't open. What you want to do is you have to get this lock cylinder out in order to put it into the new one. And it kind of sits in here like this and like snaps in like that. And there's a brass piece right here that you have to push down, and then I just pushed this piece to get it out. But in order to get to the lock cylinder brass piece, you have to remove, well, I guess really you don't have to remove this, but there's 3 like pins on it. You just have to like pry these back, and I just use like a straight pick to do it. And then also have to remove this piece that sits on the back like this. And then again, there's 3 like clipping points that you have to pop it off. So once you get both of those off, you just push that brass piece down and pop it out. You get your new one that I picked up. I think it was about $15 online. And this lever actually works, so that's good. Go ahead and pop this in, and then the brass piece is going to be on the bottom. And then it'll just pop in. You'll hear it snap like that. And then you'll want to take your key and make sure that everything works properly. And it does snap. So that's perfect. So let's try it locked. And you can't open it. You see the lever doesn't move. And then when it's unlocked, it moves down. So we're gonna go ahead and screw these back into the glove box. Super easy, it's just 3 Phillips head screws and it just slides right in.